There's a known issue with bloggers don't track your own page views, and I'll illustrate the problem and two workarounds. The problem occurs whenever you have your own domain name. So in my case, I have blog.geromancy.com.au, but anything that's not a blogger provided address like Blogspot or something like that is going to have this problem. So it spins around a bit, eventually pops up, and comes up with an error. As you can see, I can't set or even view the status of don't track your own page views for my blog. This first workaround involves URL hacking. So basically I take a string for my URL that I've prepared earlier and I will make this available, and this part here needs to be the domain of your blog. So in my case, I type in Geromancy and bam, I have set it to disable my tracking my own views. If I want to check the current status, yes, it's disabled. I can unset it and then I can test it again, and that's a no. So the feature is turned off, which means that I'll track like a normal person now. So I'll just set it again for myself. The second workaround is more complicated. It involves JavaScript hacking. So you need to go to Tools, Developer Tools from this button in Chrome, or you can, or I'm just going to hit Control-Shift-I and then select Sources, then No Domain, then the 3 is the one we want. The number 3 probably will be the same, but it might be different. I'll also need the 0 later. Now I want to find question mark action, and the key thing here is the CXC. So we copy our CXC, go to 0 and find CXC. Now it needs to match case, so this isn't the CXC we want, this is the CXC we want. Then what we do is we want to remove the S from HTTPS when it's trying to connect and set our cookies. So at this point we need to say A equals quote HTTP colon quote plus a semicolon. Now I'm going to copy this to the clipboard for making life a little bit easier soon. So at this point you hit Control S and that saves, and what it's doing is it's going to, there we go, it says recompilation and update succeeded, which is what I wanted. So then you can, at this point you click don't track your own page views, and this doesn't actually work, but it pops up a shield in this corner. So the shield is the key to unlock the broken window. So click on it and select load unsafe script. So Chrome hopefully reloads the page. By the way, that script's not really unsafe, so long as you can trust yourself not to violate your own privacy. Now we copy, we paste what was on our clipboard, and then we hit save again. And this time, so we've already said we're okay with script running. So then recompilation and update succeeded. Then we click don't track your own page views, and we can set it to track my page views, don't track my page views, as you wish. The way that you know it's working is if you open up don't track your own page views, if it's remembered your setting from before, then it's working. If it's not working, then it won't remember your setting. Now this works for Chrome. Method 1 will work for other browsers. Method 2, maybe some equivalent, but I don't know. You do, however, need to enable it for every browser on every computer that you intend to visit your blog with, because it doesn't track you, it just tracks your browser. This is just part of how the feature works and how Google has set it up.